Hello everybody, I am Professor Helu from the National Chinan University. Welcome again to our Spanish class. So far we have learned how to say things like I am Taiwanese, affirmative. Today we are going to learn how to say the negative, I am not Taiwanese, or to ask, are you a Taiwanese? Let's check first the affirmative, the grammar in Spanish and the grammar in English. For example, this sentence, you are Taiwanese. First we say the subject and then we say the verb, you are. Remember, in English you have to match the verb and the subject too, but usually it's very easy thing to do. Spanish, tú, subject, eres Taiwanés. So the grammar is the same. You are translating word by word. Let's go to another different example. You eat, again subject, verb. You eat an apple every morning. In Spanish, tú comes, to eat, comer. Remember, we have to match this subject with this verb. Tú comes una manzana, an apple, each morning, mañana. Okay, so affirmative in both cases, subject and verb. Let's go to the negative. In English, you are not. You are, and then the negative, not Taiwanese. In Spanish we are going to say again the subject like in English, and then before the verb just say the word no, okay, and that's it, nothing else. Before the verb, that's important. Before the verb, you place the word no. In the other example, you do not. So it's kind of a little bit different. You do not eat. You need an auxiliary verb to express the negative. So the grammar here and the grammar here are a little bit different. But in Spanish, it works the same. You, tú, and then no. Comes. So the same grammar in both cases. Subject, then the word no, and then the verb comes. Una manzana cada mañana. Okay? So again, the negative only needs to place the word no in the proper place. The proper place is before the verb in both cases. English is a little bit different. We can see in some cases you use not. In some cases you need to use the auxiliary verb to do. Okay, next go to the interrogative. Are you Taiwanese? Do you eat an apple every morning? So again, the grammar is a little bit different. This is verb, okay, maybe not like this, like this. Verb and then subject. Subject, verb. So you change the order. Are you Taiwanese? That's the way Spanish is going to work. ¿Eres tú Taiwanés? So we are going to change the order. First the verb, then the subject, and that's the way we make the question. Like this case in English. But the second example in English is a little bit different because you use the auxiliary verb to do it. do you eat? So now the verb and the subject change a little bit the positions. Do you eat an apple every morning? But still, Spanish is going to be the same. Verb before the subject. ¿Comes tú una manzana cada mañana? So it's very easy. You have to remember the affirmative, first the subject, then the verb. In the negative, just include the word no before the subject. And in the interrogative, just change first the verb and then the subject. So I think in this case, again, Spanish is easier than English because we have only one grammar while they have two different grammars. Okay. One more thing. In English, you have only the question mark at the end. Spanish has the question mark also at the beginning. The same happens with exclamation. We have an exclamation at the end, but also have a different one, slightly different, and this is slightly different at the beginning. And that's it for today. Thank you very much and see you soon.